Now I'm flexing like the jack of all trades. Yeah. And shout out my dog Andre. He a jack of all trades.
Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D back with another video. Here in front of you is a 2008 BMW X5 3.0 SI. Alright, this is one of the ones with the third row seat in the back. It also has air ride in the back. Alright, so the problem that we're having with this vehicle today is the air condition doesn't work. And when I say air condition, I mean it's not blowing any air. The rear is blowing the air out, but in the front there's nothing happening. No matter how much you turn up the speed, nothing's happening. So I figured that the blower motor is out in this car. The blower motor is pretty easy to change out, and what we're going to do is do that today. All right guys, let's get into it. All right guys, so what you're going to need is you're going to need a Phillips head, and you're going to need a T20 star bit, a long and a short one. All right, you're going to need a ratchet or a right angle, one of the two, and you don't technically need power tools. You just need a Phillips head and the star bit here, the T20. All right, you're gonna probably need a flashlight. It's kind of dark in here today. It's starting to get you know, nighttime, but let's get into it. All right, so let's cut the light on. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the 3 Phillips heads. You got one here, one there, and one over there. All right, let's start by doing that. That's one. That's 2. And you got one here. All right, now once you get those all out, let's put those over to the side. This whole piece is going to drop down. So what you're going to do is pull it out like that. Now, this part right here, you're going to just pull up on it. So just pull up like that. See, it just slides down in that groove right there. Okay. And then this, you're just going to push the light out. Just like that. And once you push it out, on this other side, you're going to disconnect the light. Okay. Let's see if I can get it disconnected with one hand. There we go. All right, now we can pull this whole piece out here. All right, now there's also one Phillips head here. Once you take out that plastic piece, you're gonna need to pull that out too, because you need as much wiggle room as possible. Okay. All right, now let's see, you have, let's see, this right here is the floor vent, and you have 2 T20s holding it in. Okay, so you have one right here, and then if you look on this other side over here, you have another one right here. All right, you take both of those out and this whole piece will come out. And then you got one back here. All right, and then this whole piece is gonna come out. Just kind of give it a little wiggle, just like that. All right, so you got that square part right there. That's gonna go right there where that square is right there. Okay, once you get all of that out, the next thing you're gonna do is take out the blower motor. Okay, so the blower motor has 4 T20s. You got one here, you got one back there, that's 2, you got one right there, that's 3, and then you have one right there, that's 4. You have to take all of those out. All right, so I got one here, one back here. Let's see. Then I got one. I don't think I can reach that one. that's why I said you need like that little extension. Got the one right here. All right, and then you got that one that's way up in here. Let's see if I can get to it. Right there. All right, so you saw it fall out. There we go. It fell down, and you're gonna have to pull this thing out. You're gonna have to wiggle it around to get this out of here. So just keep pulling it out until you get it out. Try not to break anything, but just like that. God, man, this thing's crazy. All right, now you're gonna disconnect the plug here. It has like a little tab right here, and it's one on the other side. Just pull the tab, pull the whole thing out. Just like that. I got black stuff all over my hand. All right, so this is it. God, you can see how it looks in here. This is the new one. See that? Look at this one all burned up. All right, let's get the new one back in there. So what you're gonna do is flip it back down like this, and you're gonna get your connection, and you're gonna stick it back on. It only goes on one way because it's keyed. It has like a little line on it. So slide this in just like that. All right, it actually turned on. So as soon as you snap this on, if your battery's not disconnected, it'll turn on for a little split second. All right, so make sure you're not touching the blade up under there when you plug this in, or just take the battery loose. The best way to do this is to, I think, turn it this way. You're gonna put it back in this way. So this little chute right here needs to be pointing that way. And let's see if we can get it up in there. I'll put this up in here first. There it is. So put it up in there this way, just like that. Then you got to get this part right here on over it. So you just got to keep working this thing until you get this up in here. There it is. See, it's up in there now. Now the hard part is this part has to go here. Okay, so you're gonna have to turn it just like that, and then like you see this right here, it's a hole right here that needs to go over that, and it's one up under here too. It's two of them. It's one on the back side. So see, it's almost in there. Okay, like I said, you have to kind of rock it a little bit to get it to go. It'll go in there though. So once you get it up in there, you'll know that it's right, because this part right here will be touching. See, if you look, I'm gonna let it down just a little bit. See that? That needs to touch in every spot where a screw goes. If it's not touching, it's not right. Okay? So I'm gonna hold this up, and then I'm gonna put all the screws back in. Remember, one goes there, and then one goes back here. So one here, one there, and then the one here. I will put this one in first. All right, so I got the one up there, and I put the one here, and then I'm gonna put the one that goes back here back in. All right, and then we got that one that's up in there. You see it? And that is it for putting that back. Now we're gonna put this part back in. It goes behind this wire, and let's see, up there in that hole up there. So you're gonna have to move this out of the way. Tuck it behind this like that, so it's out of the way. Okay, and get this and go all the way up in the corner up there, and push it up over that. You'll see it go right there, just like that. And then put the screw back right here and right there. Just like that. I'm sorry if this is a little shaky, but it's kind of hard doing this up under here. Just like that. So all of that's done, okay? Now, we can pull this out. And now we need the other piece that goes up under the bottom. Now, to be honest with you, just to make sure that you put that fan in right, the best thing to do is to turn the air on and make sure that the fan is turning without hitting something, because you will hear it. It'll be like, you know, because it's rubbing on something. But if it's running smooth, it should be good. And as long as you meet, you know, all the points, the contact points where the bolts go, it should be fine. But I would turn the fan on now just to make sure that it's working before I put all this stuff back in. All right, but I already know it's in there, right? So to put this back in, it goes like this. Let's try to get the flashlight so you can see it a little bit. First thing you want to do is connect this right here. All right, and it goes right here on that little line right there. It just snaps on it, but it goes this way. It goes just like that. All right, and then you want to take this wire and stick it through this square hole or this rectangle hole here. Okay, but if you can see that little slot right there, little slot, this right here goes in that little slot right there on the carpet. Okay, and then this part right here slides right there in that little slot right there. So don't pick it up, just slide it up in there. I gotta work it a little bit to get this in there, but it'll go. So put this side in first, then this side. All right, now before you put that on, put that one screw that goes right here, not that one, this one. Put that in first. There we go. All right, now put this on. So like I said, slide that part in first, then this part. But before you do that, make sure that this is through that hole where the light goes. There it is. So this whole piece is up here, and what I'm gonna do is put all the screws in. All right, so I put one in, and then I can put the rest in. And this one goes right here. And then take your light and connect your light back like that, and push it back up in this hole like that. And that is it. It didn't take that long, but the camera was really shaky. So what we're gonna do is turn the air on and make sure it's working. All right, so let's put the key in. And let's turn it up. There it is. You hear it. It's blowing. So it's working. And that's it, guys. That's how you put a blower motor in a 2008 BMW X5. All right, guys, this is J.O.A.T.D. In the description area, I have where I got that blower motor from. It seems to be a pretty good one. I looked at the reviews on it. A lot of people liked it, so we're gonna go with it. All right, seems like it's working to me. All right, guys, I'm out.